Alright then guys, so I'm back with another jacket video. This one is slightly different to the one I did for Ban, because Ban had a collar that went straight up, and this one is for an Attack on Titan / jacket for Levi, which has a folded collar. So this one is slightly different. So basically I've just shown you my patterns right here. You just need to cut out the appropriate amount with a fabric of your choice. I've got this like brownie coloured sort of minky fabric that I got from AliExpress that I'll link to you guys. Okay, so I'm using the double layer method, which basically means I'm doubling up the fabric. So I'll sew the piece, turn it inside out, and then sew those pieces together. Okay, so what you do next now is you just put your pieces like soft sides down against each other and sew them around so that there's just one gap that you can turn them inside out, and then that will create these pieces that you have to then piece together and make your jacket. So first off, you're going to want to pin the arms to the curves of your jacket sides / jacket back. So there'll be one pinned to the curve of the front of the jacket and another pinned to the back of the jacket. So because you've done the double layer method, it doesn't matter which sides you pin together, just as long as there's one for each side of the jacket and you don't have two that are supposed to fit the left side or the right side. So once you've sewn them on the machine, you'll have pieces that look like this, like kind of flat, and all you need to do now is flip them over and pin them the wrong sides down based on where you've sewn your arms, just so that they, when you turn them inside out, you'll have them sewn pieces on the inside, and you just need to sew along the tops of the arms and the under of the arms and the very, very small side of the jacket, which you might need to do hand sewing because it's going to get really thick now. So I recommend you change your needle on your machine to one that's used to thick fabrics like jeans or something like that, or denim, that's what jeans are made of, and also lower the tension. Alright then, so once you've sewn that together, you just need to turn your jacket inside out. So now I'm just going into making details for the jacket. So also you'll want to make a collar, so you just need to cut out a strip of the same fabric so that it's sort of long enough to fold over again, and also I'm doing the double layer method again. So as you can see, it's like a rectangular shape that I'll sew together on the machine. I'll turn it inside out and then I will put it onto the jacket where I will fold it over. Okay, so there you can see the turned inside out strip for the collar. So now what I'm going to do is just fold that over and pin it to the tops of the jacket. Once you've pinned that there to the top of the jacket, you just ladder stitch that straight down onto the jacket. And I've also cut out other details. Obviously, if you're making a different character, you might not need all of this. Okay, so For keeping the folded collar nice and flat, what I tend to do is I pin them down and I take them to the sewing machine and I sew just a line on the edge where it's folded, just to keep that edge folded. And so yeah, more details. I'm ironing on the Scouts badge. So yeah, that's basically how to make a folded collar jacket. I will have another tutorial that's related to Levi coming up, and I'll also have the complete making of video of Levi, and then I've got other videos coming as well, so look forward to those. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to keep up to all my behind the scenes stuff, then you can follow my Instagram or you can check out my Facebook page. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.